Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope that you all will be in the best state of health and iman. Today we are going to start our second lecture of mathematics for playgroup. So students, open your workbook with me. In previous lectures, we learned about first three digits, which are 0, 1 and 2. Today we are going to recognize next digit, which is 3. Firstly, mention the date on the top of your workbook, whatever the date is today. And now students, we will move towards our activity, and the activity is about Sunnah of our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Do you know students, our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used his right hand to give and take things. बच्चों, क्या आपको पता है कि हमारे प्यारे नबी हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम कोई भी चीज़ देने के लिए या लेने के लिए अपने दाएं हाथ का इस्तेमाल करते थे, अपने राइट हैंड का। तो हमें भी आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की सुन्नत पर अमल पैरा होना चाहिए और हमेशा कोई भी चीज़ लेने के लिए या देने के लिए अपना राइट हैंड यूज़ करना चाहिए। नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट डिजिट 3. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई विल गिव यू कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ नंबर 3. Students, can you see color? Yes. And how many colors are these? Firstly, I will pick one color, and this is only one color. How many colors? Only one color. Now, if I add one more color, then it will become 2. 1, 2. There are two colors in my hand. There are two colors in my hand, but if I will add one more color, then it will become 3. Now look here. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 colors in my hand. Now we will trace digit 3. Firstly, put the tip of your pencil on this dot and then moves downward like this. Go forward. Now turn backwards and move downwards and then make a curve like this. So it will become 3. What will it become? It will become number 3. Now we will trace 3 on these dots. Likewise this. Make a half curve and then make another half curve. So it will become 3. Once again make a half curve like this and then make another half curve like this. So it will become 3. Now here is an other activity. Give your pencil to your friend using right hand. Take a pencil from your friend using right hand. अब आपने क्या करना है, अपने फ्रेंड को पेंसिल देनी है विद योर राइट हैंड. आपका राइट हैंड कौन सा है? जिससे आप खाना भी खाते हैं. राइट हैंड को यूज़ करते हुए अपने फ्रेंड्स को पेंसिल देनी भी है और उनसे लेनी भी है. उसके बाद काउंट एंड राइट द नंबर ऑफ फिंगर्स यू सी इन द पिक्चर. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू सी अ पिक्चर ऑफ हैंड हेयर? Yes, this is a hand and these are fingers. We have to count the fingers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 fingers in this hand. So I am going to trace 3 on these dots like this. And here I have completed the number 3. Now the next page is your home task. You have to complete it with the help of your parents. And here is an activity. We always say Bismillah before wearing our clothes. हम हमेशा कपड़े पहनने से पहले बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़ते हैं. Circle one white cloth in the given picture. Now you can see different color of dresses here. Red, white, yellow, red, blue, orange. Now there are so many cloths, but we have to circle one white cloth. Can you identify one white cloth? Yes, this one is white in color. So I will circle it like this, and you also have to circle it as I have circled. So I have circled white trouser here. Now the second question is, how many red cloths are there? How many red cloths are there? Here is a red shirt and a red frock. 1 and 2. There are 2 red cloths. So I am going to trace 2 like this. And how many green cloths are there? Have we seen any green cloth here? No, there is no green cloth. So it's mean here is 0 green cloths. And in previous lecture I told you that what is the meaning of 0? 0 means 0. 0 means nothing. So here is no green cloth. So we have circled 0. Now the next activity is draw 2 buttons on the shirt. We have to draw 2 buttons on this shirt. Firstly, button like this and the second button like this. You have to draw 2 buttons like this. Now turn the page and mention the date here. And now our topic is recognition of number 4. We have learned about number 0, 1, 2, 3, and now we are going to learn about number 4. But firstly, here is an activity about common sense. You must wait at the blank to get the bus. We have to take the correct picture. Here is the picture of airport and here is the picture of bus stop. अगर हमें बस पर बैठ के कहीं जाना होगा तो हम कहाँ इंतज़ार करेंगे बस का? हम बस स्टॉप पर बस का वेट करेंगे. So here I am going to take the bus stop. कि जब भी हमें बस का वेट करना होगा तो हम बस स्टॉप पर बस का वेट करेंगे. Before going to write 4, we will have its concept. Now you can see colors in my hand. Let's count colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 colors in my hand. Put the tip of the pencil on this dot, then move downwards like this, and then move forward, and then we will move another straight line like this. Then it will become 4. It will become 4. What will it become? It will become 4. Now we will try 4 on these dots. So firstly we will draw a straight line from here and then we will move forward and then we will make another line from here. So it will become 4. Once again, draw a straight line, move forward and then make another straight line. You will complete 4 like this. Do you know, students, that a bus has 4 wheels in it? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's mean there are 4 wheels in the bus. Here is a poem relating to the bus, Wheels on the Bus. You can search it on YouTube. And now we will have an activity here. Draw 4 wheels in the given space. We have to draw 4 wheels and it is so easy. Firstly, you will have to make a circle and then you will have to make a cross inside it. So it will become wheel. Once again, make a circle and then draw a cross. It will become wheel. Like this. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have drawn our 4 wheels on this picture. Now we will move towards the next page and mention the date here. And now we are going to have the concept about number 5. But firstly we will move to our story, and the title of the story is Courage. And the story is about Ali, who is a brave boy. Ali is a brave boy. If he gets afraid of anything, he says Bismillah. One day he was playing on the beach when he saw 5 turtles. Ali was afraid to touch them, but when he saw that the turtles were sad because they had lost their way to the water, Ali picked them bravely, saying Bismillah, and put them back in the water. Have you ever been brave in your life? Share with your friends and teacher. Now this one is Ali. Ali is a brave boy. एक बहादुर बच्चा है अली. और एक दिन उसने पानी में से 5 टर्टल्स को आते हुए देखा, 5 कछुओं को आते हुए देखा. 5 turtles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 turtles in the story. एक दिन उसने 5 turtles को आते हुए देखा. पहले तो वो बहुत डरा उन्हें टच करने से, लेकिन जब उसने देखा कि वो पानी की तरफ जाने वाला अपना रास्ता भूल गए हैं तो अली ने बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़े और आराम से उन्हें उठा के 1 by 1 पानी में वापस भेज दिया. तो बच्चों, अब आपने अपना एक्सपीरियंस भी शो करना है. क्या आप भी कभी ऐसे ब्रेव बने हैं अपनी लाइफ में? अपने फ्रेंड्स, और जब हमारी क्लासेस वापस लगेंगी तो आप अपनी टीचर के साथ भी इसे शेयर करेंगे. नाउ वी विल मूव टूवर्ड द नंबर 5. एंड नाउ how we are going to write 5? We will put the tip of the pencil on this dot, and then we will make a straight line like this, and then we will make a half curve like this, and then we will make another line from here like this. So it will become 5. Now we will practice 5 on these dots like this. Firstly, draw a straight line and then make a half curve like this, and then draw a line from here like this. So it will become 5. Now we will make another try. Draw a straight line, make a half curve, and then draw a line from here. Then it will become 5. Now here is an activity. Count the monkeys and write in the box below. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 monkeys, so I will trace 5 in this box like this. So it will become 5. Now here is also a rhyme regarding to these monkeys. 5 little monkeys, and you can search this rhyme on YouTube. Now you have to complete all the remaining work of 3, 4 and 5 till next class. It was all about today's working. Stay connected for next lecture. Allah Hafiz. Fi